Welcome back again. It's your girl Ata for the press. Well, my people, I'm back again with another video, my people. My people, you know, so when I come out, I come with the real news, Real news around here. So guess what I want to do? I want to press like, I want to share, I want to subscribe, and I want to press the notification bell and click all. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Ata for the press. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. But my people, you know, so I have to big up my subscriber, them, you know that. So first, I'm going to big up Almerdoc1259. Almerdoc, subscribe to my channel. So big up yourself, Almerdoc. And also, I want to big up Lawrence Mullins. Lawrence Mullins, subscribe to my channel. And this is what he have to say. He said, good work, my sister. Talk up the things, all right? So, my people, the first person to subscribe to my channel and comment on my channel will get a shout out. So, the reason why I shout out Almerdoc and Lawrence Mullins is because I can't see the time difference. Yeah, look at the time, 22 hour, same time, them comment, all right? So, big up on yourself once again. So, my people, let me get right into it. Hear this.
You must come forward and tell us who those 6 persons are. And more importantly, I want the head of government of this country. I want the head of cabinet of this country. I want the prime minister of this country. Tell us whether or not he is one of the 6.
Him definitely a one of the 6, but he not gonna come out and talk them things, my people. And that thing come, listen, my people, I'm not gonna stop show this. So all who have a problem with this, or no go somewhere else, because I'm not gonna stop show this. You understand? This 6, I go show it until when he come out and talk. You understand? Because Andrew Holness knows that I'm one of the 6. That's why I'm not come out and say nothing, my people. If you follow me, you guys would see that he come out with a cabinet policy. You understand? So no ministers can comment on it. But Andrew Holness, as I said, he is one of the 6. So that's why I'm not come out and talk. That's why I'm not saying nothing. And that's why also, him not remember them not sign the code of conduct either. Him know where I'm up to. You understand when I say to you, he know what he's doing. Corruption, pure corruption, Jamaica Labour Party. Andrew Holness to see there. Him are the head one, him are the ringleader. And him run everything. And him, you see, run everything. Even with the Governor General. I am tell you all of them what to do. Really and truly. Him. Because guess what? Money. Money is the root of all evil. And money I do this thing. Him pay them good. The one Andrew Holness. And it is not right. It is not right. We have a right to know who the 6 is. Yeah? And it is not right. If you have 6 JLP underneath investigation and them still at work, nobody no depend on suspension, nothing. The nation cannot know what is happening with the 6 person that is under investigation. What's going on? What's going on? You understand? So, me agree if you come out and come talk and say my one, but guess what? Him not go do that, my people. Andrew Holness, him not do that. He always make things look good like he's doing the best. Him build some little folk club, give people 1 and 2, few, and everybody else say him do something good. He not do nothing good. A taxpayer money him use and I build that. Yeah? And he could have build even bigger because they have money. 2022 alone, him get 8.5, no 80, I think it was 80.5 billion or 88.5 billion taxpayer money he received last year. In the 80s. I'm not really sure. My people. I have to go back, go check on that one day. But it is in the 80s. I have to go find that video there because sometimes I have to come and drag on a memory, because I don't remember nothing. Because I tell you, We Jamaican easy forget. If you forget. And you honest come out and do so much things, and then we run out and we protest and we talk of the things them, and then it's like we forget. And you honest, you need to come tell the nation who is one of the six. Who is one of the six? Because definitely him are one of the six. But he not come out and talk. He not come and say nothing. I'll feel him wife. I want next kekla fish story that me I tell you my people. Juliet Oldness, she not easy. And I want easy woman. I'm so disappointed in her. Yeah. And I have no respect for her. I tell her no respect. But she gonna sit down on throne. Up on her too. But my people seriously though, it is not right. You understand? 6 Theif as minister in the JLP. Yeah, and then them are going like them are do the best. How if you have 6 Theif, yeah, I come and I dictate to it. That's not right. That's not right. So Mark Golden come out and show him report and he get good feedback from the commission integrity. You understand? Mark Golden no mix up in a no corruption. So how comes Andrew Holness all knowing can come show him report? And then una say Andrew do good. Andrew is not doing no good. Andrew not do not no good. See him come out again and I can't talk about in condemn war. All them something them people. Him know the reason why, you know, because on notice other day Andrew Holness did go, you know. I think it was in 2017. No worry because me have evidence for you know. I think it was 2017 in it pick up himself Ghana, Israel. All right, look on this here. See them people, who that? Now we Prime Minister that. The Honorable Andrew Holness. See him there? See him there? And gone right over Israel. See, when he went, January the 12th, 2017, he pick up himself and gone over Israel. Yeah, and he go and meet the Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Okay, so when you hear Andrew Holness come out and defend the Israel, yeah, it's a reason. Or when did go over there go sign? My people, let me read about it. The Prime Minister of Jamaica went and meet with Israel Benjamin in Jerusalem and has invited him to make an official visit to Jamaica. You hear that? You think Andrew Holness easy? The two men discussed possibilities for cooperation in water, agriculture, and domestic security. Prime Minister Holness, Jamaica, like Israel, is a strong democracy. And we have long admired the advances that Israel has made in technology, in particularly in cybersecurity and in agriculture and in other areas. The potential for cooperation between our two countries is great, and Jamaica is very interested in exploring those areas of cooperation. Me telling you, you know, so Andrew Holness don't like to stay in a million. Me said the man like to pick up things on him head. Things were big, yeah. The Jamaican people and the Caribbean region is a zone of peace, and we wish peace for all the peoples of the world. So my people, so when I hear Andrew Holness come out and say in condemn what is happening to Israel, my people, there's a reason why Andrew Holness come out and I condemn it. My take on it is Andrew Holness need to stay in a lane because enough of the leader them in another country, they don't like the word there. They don't like when you say that, you understand? Then we attack and we don't want that. You understand? So what I'm trying to say, remember Andrew Holness is a very small island. You understand? You need to take your nose, stick your nose in a Jamaica because guess what? Your nose is very big. Yeah, so make it stay in a Jamaica, make it stick right in a Jamaica where all the things are happen, all the violence and war don't happen in a Jamaica. You understand? Nobody come and talk about you condemn nothing. We not like Wagwan, yes, but brother no come out and attack. Not because you go January the 12th, 2017, go visit the man. That means if you come out and attack, some things if you just talk behind closed door, Andrew Holness, come on. You understand? You understand what I try to say my people? Yeah, me have to ever go at him. That's why yesterday me talk about it and some people don't like it. And so me never draw the evidence. Yeah, so me draw it. Me draw it and show you. Say yes, he did go and visit the man of Israel. Andrew Holness got Israel and go visit. You understand? So this is where Andrew now come and defend them. And your owness, this is bigger than your papa. This really bigger than you, because look now, see, other nations step in, Russia, the whole of them are step in. So you, brother, nobody say no more. That's it. The one little say what you say, yeah, nobody say no more. So my people, guys, that's all me did want to show you. So I want to make sure so like the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my people, welcome. And remember, when you subscribe to my channel, guys, you have to write in the comment section, I subscribe, all right? And then you will get a shout out. So the first person that subscribe to my channel and put it in the comment section will get a shout out, all right? So on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.